Hey guys, so quick update on Locator IQ. I'm inside of the all-in-one CRM right now. This is going to replace like a dozen systems. So you don't need to have like an email CRM, a two-way text system separately, a calendar system like Calendly separately, a video host like Vimeo, Wistia, Sprout Video. Don't need to pay for that anymore. Don't need to pay for like a call tracking or call recording system through like, what are people using? Ring Central. There's another one, Salesforce. Don't need to pay for separate phone tracking and recording, and a social media post bulk uploader tool, right? We're seeing Metricool is what we were teaching for a while. Later.com, a big one's HubSpot. You don't have to pay for that anymore because you can bulk upload your social posts just directly in the software. So that's 6 systems already being replaced by Locator IQ. Okay, and there's tons of other stuff as well. You can actually call leads directly on the CRM, right? So it's like we put in this phone system here where if you have a team or it's just you as an agent and an assistant, you guys can actually call and text everything on the CRM, right? And so this way the calls are recorded. They don't only have to be Zoom calls. So if you do a Zoom appointment or a Google Meet, that's fine. That'll be recorded too. But if you want to just call like right away, because a lot of times in locating or as real estate agents, you know, sometimes we can't wait for a booked call. We just got to call someone and follow up. So we've put in a phone dialer inside the CRM, and it's auto recorded and auto saved into the contact. So if you go over here under contacts and you click on the contact, you can see all recorded calls, outgoing calls, messages, emails, all inside of the contact or the messages, right? Look, we just finished the UI on this, so it's nice and clean. And there's just tons of other stuff as well, right? There's an internal training system we have. I just called it courses. So if you're trying to like train a VA, train an agent, maybe you're a team or a brokerage firm and you're like, how do I streamline training everyone on my team? There's a section right here in the CRM. I just named it courses, pretty easy. But you can, it's an area where you can create internal training, do videos, do guides. So your employees or your staff or your virtual assistants can log into Locator IQ and learn from you whatever your standards of protocols are inside of the courses app, right? I even done kind of fun things like I tagged or I pinned ChatGPT on here because a lot of us use it for like ad copy, website copy, ads. So you just click on this button that I created and it just takes you right over to ChatGPT. You know, so just cool little shortcuts like that. I've really thought of all of the things that agents do, and I'm like, the mission was like, how do we make that simple? Okay, we know that everyone's using ChatGPT. Boom, let's put a ChatGPT link. We know that our Facebook group is a really valuable community, so boom, let's put a Facebook group link. So if you have questions you want to ask our network of 2,300 agents, boom, click a button, you're in the Facebook group. Okay, and then we've got like Locator Academy. That's what we're known for, is teaching real estate agents how to leverage locating. So that's right there. And it's awesome. And there's also a reporting system. So system number 8, a reporting and data system. So you can see your numbers, right? You can understand your numbers. So the functionality of the CRM is done. Oh, look, a review building feature. So you can text and email blast your generated Google review link and your Facebook business page review link. So it makes it easy for your leads to like post a 5-star review, right? There's a lot of stuff going on here. Unlimited sales funnel builder. So instead of paying like $1,100 or $1,200 a month for all of these separate systems, you can consolidate, right? Less mental duress and everything is in one place. Yeah, one sec. Let me just finish this video. Okay. So I'm hanging out here in Tulum, Mexico, but I brought my laptop, so we're going to wrap this up and hopefully launch it. Anyways, Yep, that's basically it. Oh, there's a calendar, so you don't need Calendly anymore. That adds up. So what we're doing is the functionality of this is done, and all we're trying to set everyone up with now are templates. So when you sign up to Locator IQ, it's like $199. You know, there's even a plan for $99 a month, and we're gonna give you the best CRM. That's one thing. The second critical thing is we're gonna give you templates. So if you have, what's going on? If you need a sales funnel, we're going to provide you with a sales funnel. I'm building it right now. So we're putting this together where you get a clean sales funnel built in, right, for apartment locating. All right. So that's one thing, is we're going to give you templates, right? If you need automations like a drip campaign built, we're going to provide that too. Working on that today. And if you need a calendar, like how do you create your calendar? Well, it's going to be pre-created for real estate agents. You're going to have 2 calendars, a booked call, a follow-up, a sales funnel pre-done, automations, and then email templates. So everything is going to be like, you sign up for Locator IQ, you're saving a bunch of money monthly, and then you have a sales funnel, you got email templates, you got text templates, you got an automation drip campaign, just pre-built, right, for real estate agents. So you don't have to waste time with development there, okay? And so we're functionality's done, the UI is done. Hopefully you guys like the design. Today we're just working on finishing the templates, and then once the templates are done, we'll launch the offer. So that's basically it. So the second thing is, first one is all-in-one CRM, save $1,000 a month. Number 2 is you're going to get templates pre-built, so you have to worry about, how do I create a sales funnel? I'm going to create it for you. Okay, so 2 templates, very valuable. That's worth thousands of dollars. Number 3, live support. So with normal CRM providers, you can't get live or Zoom support within 2 or 3 minutes. It's just impossible unless you're on enterprise level, paying $1,000 a month. But with us, on the $199 a month plan, you can get Zoom support and phone support within 2 or 3 minutes from a live human on my team. Okay, so the third big thing is live human Zoom support as well. All right, all for, what's the setup fee? $0. What's the monthly fee? $199 a month. That's it. You get a CRM, templates, and live Zoom support. So if you're like trying to figure something out in automations and you can't figure it out, just jump on a Zoom call with us. We'll walk you through it, okay, at any point in time within like 2 or 3 minutes. All right, so this is going to change the industry. You can use this for any business, but the templates and everything are designed for real estate agents, especially apartment locators, okay? So I'm going to get back to work and launch this. Hopefully this was helpful and informative. All right, bye-bye.